Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payment processing risk coverage using Stripe. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer payment processing risk coverage using Stripe, begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Settings option in the bottom corner. Click on Settings to access your account preferences. In the Settings menu, find Payment Methods and select it. Scroll down to the section labeled Risk Coverage. Review the details provided regarding risk coverage policies. To transfer the risk coverage, look for the option that says Transfer Risk Coverage. Click on this option to start the process. You will be presented with an overview of the terms and conditions. Read through these terms carefully to understand your responsibilities and liabilities. Once you have reviewed the terms, proceed by clicking Continue. Next, provide the necessary information about the new payment processing account. This may include details such as the account holder's name and contact information. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid processing delays. After entering the required details, click Submit to initiate the transfer. Wait for confirmation from Stripe regarding the risk coverage transfer. Check your email for a confirmation message. Once confirmed, log out and log back into your account to review the updates. Verify that the risk coverage has been successfully transferred. You are now ready to process payments with the new risk coverage in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.